Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to talk about the intermolecular forces and their strength. In general chemistry 2, we talk about four major type of intermolecular forces and they are London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole forces, hydrogen bonding, and ion-dipole interactions. London dispersion forces are present in all molecules and atoms. Dipole-dipole forces are present in polar molecules. Hydrogen bonding is present in molecules containing hydrogen atom that is bonded to F, O, or N, that means fluorine, oxygen, or nitrogen. And finally, ion-dipole interactions are present in mixture of ionic compounds and polar compounds. For example, if we mix sodium chloride in water, there are presence of ion-dipole interactions. And we can see the strength of these forces here. London force London forces are the weakest forces, and dipole interaction they are stronger or moderate forces, and then hydrogen bonding the strength increases, and finally ion dipole interactions are the strongest forces. So in your exam you might get a question like ranking of these forces, and then in the next slides I will show you how to rank the strength of these forces in increasing or decreasing order. So now let's go to next slide. So if you want to arrange the bonds in the increasing order of strength, then you need to know this sentence. Lazy dogs hate eyes. Here lazy is London force. Dogs is dipole-dipole interactions. Hate is hydrogen bonding and eyes is ion dipole interactions. And one more thing I need to emphasize here is when you are comparing the strength of these forces, we are considering similar sizes of the molecules. So if you want to arrange in the decreasing order, then I have another sentence, but you need to know just one of them, whether you go from weakest to the strongest or strongest to weakest. If you know one of them, then you can easily go to the other one. So now the other sentence is I hate doing laundry. Here I is referring to ion dipole interaction, hate to hydrogen bonding, doing to dipole interactions, and then laundry is London dispersion force. So this is if we want to arrange from strongest force to the weakest force. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more study tips in chemistry and data analysis. See you in the next video.